We just received a payment from our customer, Thomas A. Waits. But before we do so, let's take a look at his balance by clicking on Sales and then Customers. Scrolling down, here we can see that Thomas A. Waits has a balance of £50, so they owe us £50. To receive a payment, we could click on Receive Payment right here, or you can open the Create menu and select Receive Payment, then include the customer's name in this field. QuickBooks retrieves any open invoices and displays them right here at the bottom of the screen. Thomas is paying this invoice, so we'll select it. QuickBooks assumes that the customer is paying the entirety of the invoice. So if this is a partial payment, you can enter the payment amount right here. In the middle of the screen, we need to tell QuickBooks about the payment method. So this is how Thomas is actually paying us. Right here for the payment method, click the drop-down arrow and choose the payment method from the list. Or, if this is a payment that is not listed in the payment method list, you can click on Add New to set up a new one. Thomas is paying us with a check. Here, in the reference number field, enter the check number, which is 897. Here, we enter the account where we're depositing the money. It's tempting to choose current for any instance in which we're receiving the money, because that is normally where the money will end up. But let's click the drop-down arrow and look at a different option. Right here, we have something called Undeposited Funds. Undeposited Funds is an account on your chart of accounts that summarizes all of the money that you've received from customers that has not been deposited into the bank just yet. It's going to be deposited there later, but for now, you're holding it back. You could be holding it in a cash register. If the payment really is going directly into current, you can select current right here. But the most common option is to select undeposited funds so that you can group this payment together with other customer payments. To complete this transaction, let's save and close. Now we can see, scrolling down, that Thomas A. Waits no longer has that £50 balance. Because we used undeposited funds, there's still one more step in this sales process, and that's to record the deposit.